Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study efficiently for UPSC. First, thoroughly understand the extensive syllabus and exam pattern. Next, craft a realistic study schedule, setting daily and weekly goals to ensure consistent progress. Gather all essential study materials and reliable resources, focusing on quality over quantity. Finally, prioritize subjects based on their weightage in the exam and your personal strengths, allocating your time wisely for maximum impact. Now, let's dive into effective study techniques. Employ active recall and spaced repetition to significantly enhance your memory retention over time. Develop concise, high-quality notes for quick revisions and to solidify your understanding of complex concepts. Dedicate time daily to practice answer writing for both the mains and prelims exams. Additionally, consistently solve previous year's question papers to grasp exam trends and question patterns. Revision and practice are absolutely vital for success. Consistent revision, perhaps every 3 to 5 days, is crucial for solidifying information in your long-term memory. Regularly take full-length mock tests under strict timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment. After each test, thoroughly analyze your performance to pinpoint weak areas. Then, focus on improving both your accuracy and time management skills, aiming for consistent progress. Finally, remember that your well-being is paramount for efficient study. Ensure you get adequate sleep, aiming for 7 to 8 hours nightly, to keep your mind sharp. Incorporate short, refreshing breaks and some physical activity into your daily routine. Maintain a balanced and nutritious diet for sustained energy and optimal focus. Most importantly, stay positive and manage stress effectively throughout your entire preparation journey.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.